the chances I'm taking sometimes I knock me down, but no, I'm not breaking. I may not know it, but these are the moments